Hello everyone, this is SGBikeUncle. Here I am on another ride. It's been a long while since I've had any content. And this is actually my third attempt at making this video to give you an update of what's been going on with myself. So, I recently had a new helmet. So I had to change my helmet camera. For this helmet, I'm using the id221 Moto BC1. So I had to switch it from an old helmet to this current helmet. So that was one reason why I hadn't really been posting videos. Another reason was when I think about doing video content, I knew I needed to have time to essentially edit the content, and I've been a bit short of time recently, so I didn't feel I was able to put enough time into the post-production, which means that even if I did film anything, it would be stuck in cold storage for a while. And finally, when I did actually get the camera up onto the helmet, the POV, the point of view, was not quite correct to my liking. It was either the first two attempts they were just too low. So when they were too low, all you saw was just my handlebar console versus the view of the road. So we needed to change things a bit. If you saw from some of my other content, yeah, I'm embarking on my pursuit for my Class 2A license. That's gone on pretty well. I've already cleared all my practicals. Cleared all my practicals. I've cleared my simulator training. I've done my theory. I'm doing it at SSTC. And now I'm just waiting for my traffic police test. Do I have a bike in mind? Yes, I do. I won't reveal it now. If you follow my TikTok, there's already a bit of a teaser of the kind of bike I'll be going for. Whether I end up with that kind of a bike is anyone's guess for now. So stay tuned on the channel and find out. I think you know where it's going. Chances are you won't stick with your 2B bike if you had a choice. And I think for the sake of content, I think a bigger CC bike might help me generate a lot more content. I'm keen on doing tours. I'm keen on doing road tours, overland rides, is what you call them, just to essentially go to different places, show different sights, try different food experiences, check out the local culture. I mean, I've already gone all the way up to Thailand on this Class 2B bike, so I hope with a bigger CC bike I can go further and check out newer places, interesting places. I mean, if you're just riding in Singapore, nothing wrong with it. I think a bike gives us a license to travel and experience new places. That's what I hope to do. Another reason for me to use this camera and helmet is because just to see how good or bad is this to use as a motovlogging camera. I mean, this helmet camera is functional. It's good value for money, but I mean the audio quality is decent for you as an individual person receiving phone calls, talking on the phone, but is it what you will want to use for video content making? I think there's a different kind of expectations from both the rider and the viewer, I guess. So one thing you learn as a rider in Singapore is that when you go into the CTE tunnel or the KPE tunnel for the first time as a rider on your bike, I think that is always a bit of a shock, a bit of a what? I didn't know that. It's the heat that suddenly hits you and envelops you. Suffocating heat. Right? Just imagine all the exhaust of the cars, all the heat from the cars is there. Of course, when you're in a car, you don't really feel that or see that because you are in an air-conditioned environment. But when you're on a motorcycle, different story, bro. So when I was doing my 2A, I tried to sneak in my camera to what do you call that? So maybe film the route, the circuit route, so that could be used as something to help other riders understand what they go through, and also maybe for me to like get some feedback on where I can improve or how to improve. But the instructors are very smart lah, very fast. They see my helmet, they say, bro, you gotta take that out. Every time kena caught. Not once I managed to escape it. They see helmet only, they know. Oh, sir, you gotta take it out. So take out lor. So sorry, no circuit video to show to the world how we do our class 2A test. Okay, now I'm in the tunnel. Maybe because the weather today is cooler, not as hot, but it's hot lah. It is hot. Sometimes when the rain is very heavy outside, then you run in the tunnel, got no rain, right? But then got the heat, right? Oh, then you got the foggy situation. I want to sleep, literally. Oh, another fellow XSL brother. I can feel the full air coming in. Full air because we are ending the tunnel. I really hope that the wind noise is not terrible on this. Because when you use an open face helmet, right, there's no what you call chin guard that helps to protect helps to keep the wind out. So that's why full face helmets are a lot more quieter. But when open face helmet, you have a lot more wind coming to the helmet. You may not feel it, right? But because it's under your chin and everywhere, there's a lot of turbulence which cause a lot of wind noise. So when you buy a comp set, which you have noise cancellation, what you call that, function, so that it can filter out as much as possible, so that you can have better audio quality for the other person hearing you. Jumper gear, signal intention. Every time I turn left, I hear the wind. Check blind spot, check rear view mirror, clear. Yep, I'm about near the end of my journey. Thank you for joining me on my ride. Until we meet again, stay safe on the roads. Don't do anything stupid. Ride defensively. And take care. Okay? Bye bye.